All right guys, Nick here from Obsessed Garage. Right here I have our 1322. So this is our flagship pressure washer. We're the only ones in the world who can sell the 1322. It's really the nicest electric pressure washer for detailing in the world. We ship a ton of these, and so we thought it made sense to make a little unboxing video just to show you, everything that comes in the box, what you can expect to get, and how it'll look when it actually shows up to your house. Whether you bought it a la carte or you bought it in one of our solutions like our wall mount solutions or our portable solutions, the box or the pressure washer at least will always show up like this. And you know it's from us because it's got the OG tape on it. Pop this open. And we overbox it to make sure that the pressure washer shows up exactly how it should. Now, kick that off to the side. So, pop open the Kranzle box. Say hello to your new favorite tool. Got some paper in here, and there is the unit itself. You can see it comes pretty well packaged. We really do not see a whole lot of damage on these ever. So we've got our manuals. Gonna want to keep those. Spare cardboard. And then it's actually kept in with these little foam blocks at the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see those or not. Since the 1322 does not come with any accessories, it's just the pump only, there's really not all that much to unbox. We have our full length power cord right here with our GFCI in line. I'll just go ahead and unwrap that. If you're doing a wall mount solution or like a custom install, you'll probably end up shortening this anyway. I would recommend at least what's in the box for a little while, holding on to this box at least. You don't have to hold on to that one, but keep this one just in case anything does happen and you end up having to ship this out. It's always a good idea to hold on to that. Also, just hold on to your manual too. Take our cap off of our pressure gauge. That bubble in the gauge is supposed to be there, so do not panic when it shows up and you see that bubble. It's supposed to be there. So it comes with this cap that is sealed. You're going to want to remove that and then put this on. This has some venting on it to help prevent this from overpressurizing. Just go over it, inspect it for any leaks, anything that looks a little, questionable. We really have a seriously low rate of issues with these units, so you shouldn't have any problems. But some common areas for problems are right down here, and then you might see some leaking right here. But again, we really do not have very many issues with these. You can of course get this in our store, both a la carte or in a solution. And if you have any questions about it, let us know in the comments or reach out to support@obsessedgarage.com.